In 1901, sponge divers made an astonishing discovery off the coast of Antikythera, a small Greek island. They found a shipwreck dating back over 2,000 years. Among the treasures recovered was an artifact unlike anything seen before. It was a corroded lump of bronze, later named the Antikythera mechanism. This unassuming object would revolutionize our understanding of ancient technology. The Antikythera mechanism is now recognized as the world's oldest known analog computer, a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Greeks. The Antikythera mechanism was no ordinary artifact. It wasn't a weapon or a tool for trade. Instead, this intricate device was designed to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. Imagine the ancient night sky, a celestial tapestry of stars and planets. The Antikythera mechanism could track the movements of these celestial bodies with remarkable precision. By turning its cranks, one could advance the mechanism through time. It would predict the positions of the sun, moon, and planets on any given date. This ancient machine could even forecast eclipses, those celestial ballets where the sun, moon, and earth align. The Antikythera mechanism wasn't just a timekeeper, it was a window into the intricate workings of the heavens. The complexity of the Antikythera mechanism is awe-inspiring. It's a marvel of engineering, even by today's standards. The device is a testament to the ancient Greeks' mastery of mathematics and mechanics. Imagine a network of over 30 intricate bronze gears, all precisely crafted and interconnected. These gears, some no larger than a fingernail, worked in harmony. They drove a series of dials and pointers on the mechanism's exterior. Inscriptions on the device's fragments provide further clues. These inscriptions, written in ancient Greek, describe the mechanism's functions and the cosmos it modeled. They are a voice from the past, whispering secrets of ancient knowledge. The Antikythera mechanism stands as a stark reminder of the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. Its existence challenges our preconceived notions about the technological capabilities of the past. It took centuries for humanity to create anything as complex as the Antikythera mechanism. This ancient device forces us to reconsider our place in the grand timeline of history. The Antikythera mechanism is a testament to the power of human curiosity. It's a reminder that the quest to understand the universe is timeless. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we do so standing on the shoulders of giants, the brilliant minds who came before us. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel and stay updated with more fascinating content.